Why does your scanner show the P0023 engine code? What does it mean? P0023 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake camshaft position, B actuator circuit open bank 2. This engine code indicates that your vehicle's PCM, or Engine Control Module ECM, has detected an electrical issue with the variable valve timing VVT actuator circuit for the B camshaft on bank 2. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed OCV solenoid, wiring and circuit issues, engine oil problems, faulty ECM, mechanical timing issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Volkswagen, and Toyota vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.